Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, this is Obiju's tutorials and lifestyle. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment. So guys, do you know there was this day my mom asked me to go and buy akara and pap for breakfast. So when she told me, I told her, okay, let me go and buy it, but first let me change my clothes. Like the clothes I was putting on was dirty, so I said let me just change it and wear something else, put on something else, right? So this was how she refused to. She was like that I should go and buy what she asked me to buy. That why do I want to change my clothes? I was like, my clothes are dirty now because you know children and play. That time I was still very small, so I used to play like I was putting on a pink up and down, so it was very dirty. And I asked for her permission to change it, but she refused. I was like, why now? But you know, Nigerian parents, now any small thing, to just start beating you. And this was how she started flogging me. It was not a small thing. For saying I want to change my clothes too. So that's how she started flogging me and said I'm not going to change those clothes too. She now sent me out of the house that I should go and buy what she asked me to buy. And I was now wondering, like that time you used in flogging me, wouldn't I have used it to change my clothes? But this was how she sent me out of the house. And guess what? That was the most embarrassing day of my life because it was just as if they just asked all my friends to come out and come and see me that day. And I was looking so dirty because that time, I used to play. I used to play very, very well. And that was why my clothes were very dirty. So when I went out there, if I were to go from here to here, I'll see my classmates. They would just be like, Zobi, how you doing? I'll be trying to hide myself, but they will keep on following me. Like it was so embarrassing. And I'm not wondering, why did she not let me change my clothes? Maybe she think I was going to spoil, or maybe she felt like I was wearing the clothes, I was putting on the clothes for someone or to impress somebody, which was not actually the truth. Like I don't know, Nigerian parents, there are some things that they do that I don't just understand. Like what is there in saying that I want to change my clothes? Like guys, what do you guys think? Like if you were the parent in this situation, would you let your child change his or her clothes? Because I know if I was the one, like if it was me that was the parent, right? Like you dare not wear that clothes, like a dirty cloth and leave the house if you were to be my child. Because I don't know how you guys see it too. But as far as I'm concerned, the way you dress is the way you'll be addressed. So even if you say, okay, you're not the one putting on the clothes, but it's your child. And believe me or not, that child is representing you. That child will represent you whenever the child goes out. So imagine if your friends or people that know you were to see that child looking in that manner or looking so dirty and all that. How would they feel and what would they think of you? I know some people will be like, I don't care what people will think. But sometimes these things matter. Like, because there was this day I was walking, like, I saw my aunt by the roadside, right? She was walking with someone, it was a guy. And I was greeting her. I was like, auntie, good afternoon, auntie, good afternoon. She pretended like she did not hear me. I was wondering, did she not hear me? So I now went closer to her and was like, auntie, good afternoon. But she was like giving me this attitude of, go, I don't want to see you. Do I know you? Do I know? Have we met before? Like this attitude of be going, be going, be going. And I just got to realize that it was because I was not well dressed and I was looking dirty. That was why she didn't want to identify with me because you know she was with someone and telling this person that she knows someone like this would just be like to be degrading for her. I don't know, like, so that was why she was giving me that attitude. But imagine if I was well dressed, I was clean, looking good. I wouldn't even have to come and tell her good afternoon. In short, sighting me from afar, she'd be like, Zobi, where are you going to? She'll even introduce me to her friend and be like, this is my sister's child. Oh. Yes, her name is this and this and this and this and that. So guys, sometimes these things actually matter. Dress so that you'll be addressed properly. Yes, if I was well dressed, right, she will introduce me to her friend and be like, this is my sister's child. But because I was not well dressed, like she can't be shame for me. So what am I trying to say? Sometimes these things actually matter. So guys, I just sprayed my butterfly spray. Yes, the name of the spray is called butterfly spray. You can use any holding spray of your choice, but I use the butterfly spray to, hold down the flyaways. and as you can see, the hair is giving. Yes, this hair is beautiful. So you try this and thank me later. Yes, the hair is beautiful, so try it and thank me later. So guys, what do you think? Like there are things that some things that parents do that I just wonder why and how, especially Nigerian parents. Like sometimes they flog one for reason that is not even reasonable. Because tell me why she had to flog me because I'm still like I don't even understand why. Like sometimes parents just flog children for no reason. Well, I just want to believe this from a Nigerian's perspective that maybe she felt like I was trying to impress someone or maybe I was going to spoil. I don't know. Nigerian parents, the way they used to hold girls, well, I don't blame them because some of you anya don't know. So guys, thanks for watching.